One that kind of crosses both the personal and the business is, what's the value? What do you need out of the business to retire? What is the business worth? Most people don't realize the terms make a big deal on a transaction, right? People say, well, let's just use a simple number. Let's say, well, my business is worth $1 million. Well, how is that paid? If the purchaser is only going to pay you 50% on upfront, and you got to do an earnout over, say, 5 years, if you hit all these benchmarks, you may or may not get the other, or only get a portion of it. So I say in those deals, you got to be happy with the initial amount. If you can live off that, then the rest is the bonus. That's where but so the terms is a big thing. And sometimes the more aggressive you are with the terms, the shorter how much you're paid up front, and the shorter any term is, usually it means that your amount of money that you're going to get shrinks a little bit, right? Right. But really, what is your bottom line is what you got to be aware of, because and then when you put your hat on from being the purchaser, and I've helped a couple of companies do acquisitions, tuck-in type acquisitions to expand in their local areas. What's a financial buyer buying? You got to put your hat on and think what the other guys, how they're thinking, right? And really what they're buying is your future profits, but even more important to that, how reliable those future profit estimates are. That's really what they're buying. And that's why when you see people say, well, I get 5 times EBITDA, or, I get, 6 times or 8 times, whatever industry, and you're different. But really what you're doing is that you're buying a predictable future profits, and it's discounted if it has a lot of variances up and big swings back and forth. It's got to be fairly predictable.